Hello guys and welcome back to your channel I Love 164. Today we are going to do the unboxing of all these cars. I've been collecting these from some time and I was thinking that why should I do the unboxing of one or two cars? I'll do it when I'll get all of them. So out of all of these, only this car is the one which has been previously unboxed, but I was not able to show it on the camera. So now let's open this up, but let's do one thing. Let me put everything on the side and put the turntable here, and then I'll show you this car and then everyone. Give me a moment. Let me arrange this up. Let's put this here. These here like this. We'll open these Nissans later, then we will open this RUF, and before that I'll open this and this. Fair? I'm sure it sounds fair. And here's your turntable. So let me show you this Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus. When this was released, it was just a normal, another mini GT version of a Bugatti, but now this is like a super hyped car. People are crazy about this car. And let's have a closer look and we will find it out why people are crazy about this. Here is your Bugatti, the one which created the world record. We have the carbon fiber detailing all over this car to make it lightweight, of course. We have the tail light, the orange stripe going from front to back with the black wheels. Look crazy. I actually like the headlights, honestly. I like the headlights of Bugattis. The 4 squares. Awesome, man. Great. Now let's move to them. Now let's move to another Bugatti. This one is Bugatti EB110 GT. I have one version of this one. It's a blue, and I like the gray one as well, but I'd buy it. I thought I should buy this one. So, and then there are some other versions. I don't know what are those, GT versions, I think, but I didn't get all of these. I just buy what I like, and this is what I like. Look at this, baby. Look at this. The wheels on this classic Bugatti. And here's your base. Let's put this one on the turntable and this record breaker on the side here. What is better than having one Bugatti? Of course, two Bugattis. Look at those wheels, the disc wheels on this car with the gray color chrome look, with the fine lines and everything coming out. Like, man, this is a super car from the classic era. It's a vintage classic beauty. I like the color on this actually. I love the color on this. We have the Bugatti logo on the front. Even on the tires, it is very small. On the side as well. Exhaust looks crazy. Every detail is so fine, just like the car. I'm taking this one, man. Love it. Now let's move to the next one. There are actually several Nissans, as you can see. What I'm going to do, I'm going to open them starting Nissan Z Performance 2023. This is the Everest White color. And actually there are two versions of this car in this color only. I was not sure about it, why there are two, so I wanted one. I like this one. I bought it. Oh my god. This is so stock and so great. So awesome. Look at this car. This is just a stock car. The way it came out from the factory. We have some detailings over here. This exhaust look cool. The color is amazing. Let's put this on top and park our Bugatti here. So this is your first Nissan for today. Nissan Z. This is the only stock model I got actually so far. And yes, I'm happy I got this one. I really like the tail lights, the exhaust, the Z on the back, the Nissan logo. The wheels look crazy, amazing. The front is good. It's a stock yet beautiful. So, which one you guys want me to open? Now, this, or this? Well, let's open this first. We will open this, we will open on the Silvia, and then we will have a look on this Liberty cool KUMA decode car. So this was a SEMA 2023 Hall of Fitness. I have saw that one on YouTube, and this looks really crazy in real life. So I thought if Mini GT is actually releasing it, one should buy it. Oh my god. These are like crazy colors. This is something like coming out directly from Japan. Look at that. All those decos and whatever written in the Japanese. And there's your base. Man, this is crazy. This is actually crazy. Now I know why people are crazy about this car. This came and it went like out of stock in minutes. Let's have a closer look. Look at that side profile of this car with all this, so much deco on this, so much deco. Totally Japanese car. And we love it the way it is. I like the wheels, the 5-spoke wheels with the trim on the chrome trim on the side. I like all the logos, the Nissan on the front with the LBWK mentioned on it. I'm sure this is LBWK in Japanese, what it says on the side with the 99 on it. The rear look good. It is perfect car. And Mini GT created this awesome car with love. Oh my, oh my. All these cars are so great, man. I think someday, it's not very far, I'm going to be bankrupt. Because I have bought so many diecast models that I had to buy. See, this new one, and there is another one. I don't know when I'm going to release this video. Maybe by then these acrylic cases will be full that I've bought, two new. One of them have capacity of 50 cars. So let's see how many I can place, how many I have. I'll put some Hot Wheels as well, Hot Wheels that I like. Actually, I like most of them, but I don't have enough space to display. I don't have enough space to keep them. Man, I'm really getting out of space because of these cars are out of money as well. And now look, oh my god, I was about to. I'll put it like this. I don't want it to fall on the ground and just had a dent or anything. Look at this. Look at this beautiful Nissan Silvia. Look at those wheels. It's a Pendum kit on it. Let's put it here. Let's put these actually on this side and park our Silvia here. And our Nissan Z right here. Let's have a closer look on this beauty. Another Silvia added to the collection successfully. And another great casting with the Pendum kit on it. Look at those wheels and the wire with the chrome lid on the sides, man. The exhaust looks great. On the number plate we have Pendum Rocket Bunny. Oh, actually it's not Pendum, I was wrong. Actually it's Rocket Bunny. Now I got it. Maybe they are about the same thing, I don't know. You guys tell me in the comments if it is. But I like the color of this car and love the kit on it, and it looks great. Great. I'm actually thinking why I missed the other colors. I should have bought all the colors of this car. I have so many Silvias, man. I have so many Silvias in my collection. They all keep coming out well. Next up we have this cool Liberty Walk Nissan Skyline Kenmeri in a KUMA deco. There are several releases of this deco. I think one is Silvia itself, one is this, and one is R35, yes. But this is the only car that I liked at this time. Oh my god, yes, 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 and I'm happy that I bought this one. Look at this beautiful car. Look at this deco. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's put this here. Have a closer look, right? Here is your Nissan with this great livery of Liberty Walk on it. KUMA livery. I like the headlights with that cord coming out of it. The wire. The sides look great. The bumpers, details are amazing. The wheels look great. Rear look awesome with this exhaust. This is a piece of art. This is not just a car. It's actually a piece of art. And I'm happy, I'm glad to add something like this in my collection. Beautiful. It is beautiful. Or I should say it is beyond beautiful. And now it's time to open the last but not the least RUF CTR Porsche. It's a limited of 1 out of 2400s. So what I'm going to do, I'll cut this from here. I'll open it and I'll show it to you. I'm going to do that off camera because I don't want to cut my hand or finger. So give me a moment, guys. So that is how I cut it. Flip it. And we will pull the box out first and then we will pull the car. So let me show you the box first. This is the box. And the shiny black box. here is your car. This is very tiny and very beautiful. This is the only RUF I'm going to have in my collection, and I'm happy. Let's put this on the turntable for the closer look. And before that, let me park my Nissan here and my KUMA here. Why Porsches are always this good? There is not a single Porsche I don't like. This is the simplest car with no liveries on it. It is just a stock version, yet so beautiful. The wheels look great, the headlights look great, the indicator details look great. The color itself is so mesmerizing. It's a fabulous, fabulous car. Fabulous car. What a plastic. What a mini GT has created. Wow. So guys, that was your unboxing for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what do you think, which one is your favorite, which one do you have. I always like to know all these things. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe as well, because there are more amazing videos around the way. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next one.